Woohoo! Whoa!
I see it.
It's pretty this year.
Can you tell who they're selling that to?
It's Alaska Air. It's I think it was oh God, no.
I see it.
He's waving.
That thing's pretty quiet.
They were on time, on the money.
Wow.
Hold on to my flower, honey.
Oh, we got a new one.
Wow, that's cool.
Oh, we got a new one. Get to share with Papa.
Wow, that's amazing.
Get share one is Papa's. Get share one is Papa's.
God, I'd love to be in that plane.
Me too.
Not me.
Me.
Bye-bye.
Too much you had kids.
I guess that's it.
What's another plane? What's it?
Oh, jeez.
We must see it.
I see it too, honey. It's not a 737 MAX.
Here comes the back. I see it.
And there it goes.
Oh my God. It's going to Disneyland.
It's going to Disneyland. Bye-bye. Oh, can you imagine you're sitting in your chair like that?